Hello, in this video we are asked to identify when the function is both negative and increasing. So we are provided with the function, and the very first thing you want to do on this one is just to take out your calculator and graph it. It's nice to see a visual on this one. It'll make it a lot easier. Okay, so let's just talk about this. When is the graph increasing? Let's just identify that. So during this whole period here, all of my function values, f1 of x, all of these are actually increasing, all the way until we reach this very tip top, which is the vertex, and at which point they're all going to be decreasing. So we're going to be focused on the left-hand side of the graph here. And the negative is anything below the x-axis. My function, my y values, are all going to be negative. Okay, so we're basically looking for this section of the graph right here. All right, so let's just go through some of these. When t is less than 2, well, t right here, during that section when it is less than 2, yeah, I would say that those are negative and increasing. So far, so good. Okay, let's look at the next one. When t is greater than 7. So right here, t is 7, and then this graph is decreasing, and then it turns negative, so that won't work. What about between 5 and 7? This is from our vertex pretty much over to the 7 right here. It is decreasing, and the graph is positive, so that's not the one we're looking for. Okay, now then we've got between 7 and 9. Between 7 right here and 9, the graph is definitely decreasing, so that won't work. So our answer on this one would have been anything less than 2, basically. When t is less than 2, that graph is both negative and increasing.